Before buying an e-bike battery or charger, there's one thing no product page will tell you. Most cheap chargers don't actually protect your battery long term, and some can even be fire hazards. Real buyers complain about overheating, short lifespans, and connectors that don't fit. So let's fix that.
Product number 1, EVA Plus 36V Fast Charger. The EVA Plus 42V 2A Fast Charger. This black compact unit caught my eye because it's SGS certified and comes with 3 different connectors, making it surprisingly flexible for 36V lithium batteries used in pocket mods, sports mods, and many scooters. At just $15.99, it's one of the most affordable options out there. If you want a budget-friendly charger that still includes safety certifications and multiple plug types, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 42V output matches standard 36V battery packs perfectly, and the 2A current delivers a full charge in about 2 hours, much faster than slower 1A chargers. Plus, it has 4 built-in protections: short circuit, polarity error, overcurrent, and overvoltage. That means less stress on your battery over time, which helps it last longer. With over 8,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly popular among riders who need reliability without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about receiving units with loose connectors or ones that stopped working after a few months. Here's the thing though, EVA Plus actually offers free replacements if you get a defective unit, and they respond quickly to messages. So while quality control might be slightly inconsistent, their customer service makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you own a 36V electric scooter or bike and want a fast, certified charger under $20. Skip this one if you have a 48V system, it won't work. For the price and included safety features, it's solid value.
Product number 2, fancy buying 7-in-1 48V charger. If the EVA Plus model was too basic for your setup, this fancy buying 7-in-1 universal charger takes compatibility to another level. Priced at $32.99, it's designed specifically for 48V lithium batteries, 13 S-packs, and includes 7 interchangeable heads. So whether you've got a Rad Power, Cheer, or Jetson, chances are it'll fit. If you want one charger that works across multiple e-bike brands, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 54.6V output is exactly what 48V systems need for a full charge, and the 2-amp rate balances speed and battery health. It's UL certified, which means it passed strict US safety tests and includes overvoltage, overcurrent, temperature, and short circuit protection. The aviation-grade aluminum plug and reinforced cable survived thousands of insertion tests, so it won't fray like cheaper cords. Plus, the LED lights clearly show charging status: red while charging, green when done. Now, some people complained about loud fan noise during charging. Here's the thing though, that fan is part of the intelligent temperature control system, and it actually increases efficiency by 30% while extending the charger's lifespan. It's not a flaw, it's a feature that keeps things cool under load. This is perfect for you if you own multiple e-bikes or aren't sure which connector your battery uses. Skip this one if you only ride a 36V system, it's not compatible. For versatility and safety, it's one of the smartest buys in this list.
That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for riders who prioritize smart features over extra connectors. The EVA Plus 54.6V 1.5A Smart Charger costs $17.99 and focuses on clean, safe charging for 48V lithium batteries. It's UL certified and uses a standard DC 5.5mm plug, so it fits most e-bikes right out of the box. If you want reliable, no-frills charging with top-tier safety, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.5A output is gentler on your battery than higher amp chargers, which can reduce heat buildup and extend overall battery life. It automatically shuts off when fully charged, preventing overcharging, a common cause of battery degradation. The wide input range, 100 to 240 volts, means you can use it anywhere in the world, and the red-green LED gives instant status updates. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's trusted by daily commuters who don't want surprises. Now, some people complained it charges slower than 2A models, taking closer to 4 to 5 hours for a full charge. Here's the thing though, slower charging is actually better for lithium-ion longevity. Unless you're in a rush every day, the extra hour is worth the added battery lifespan. This is perfect for you if you charge overnight and want a durable, certified charger that won't stress your battery. Skip this one if you need ultra-fast charging or multiple plug types. For everyday reliability, it's a quiet hero.
Product number 4,
QKIIP 7-port 48V charger. If EVA Plus's single connector frustrated you, this QKIIP charger solves that with 7 different plug types, including rare ones like XLR and RCA. At $27.99, it's built for 48V lithium batteries and delivers 54.6 volts at 2A, so it's both fast and flexible. If you've ever struggled to find the right charger for your obscure e-bike brand, this one could be your lifeline. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2A output gives you quicker top-ups, and the 7 connectors cover nearly every e-bike and scooter on the market, from electric to lesser-known Chinese brands. It includes overvoltage, overcurrent, overtemperature, and short-circuit protection, plus a fire-resistant casing. The red-green LED is simple but effective, and the included extra power cords mean you can leave one at home and one at work. Now, some people complained the build feels a bit plasticky compared to metal house chargers. Here's the thing though, it's still UL listed and passes all safety checks. The plastic keeps costs down and weight low, which matters if you carry it in a backpack. This is perfect for you if you own an older or niche e-bike with an unusual charging port. Skip this one if you only use mainstream brands with standard DC plugs. For adaptability, it's unmatched.
Product number 5, Flash-LED Fireproof Battery Bag. Let's talk safety beyond the charger. The Flash-LED Fireproof e-bike battery bag costs $19.99 and might be the most important item on this list. It's not a charger, but if you charge lithium batteries at home, this bag could literally save your house. If you want peace of mind while charging overnight or storing spare batteries, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Lithium batteries can fail catastrophically, and when they do, they release extreme heat, up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. This bag is designed to contain that fire, slowing its spread and giving you time to react. It's waterproof, has reflective strips for visibility, and measures 19.3 by 4.3 by 7 inches, big enough for most e-bike packs. It doesn't prevent fires, but it drastically reduces risk. Now, some people complained it's bulky or unnecessary if you're careful. Here's the thing though, most battery fires happen during charging, often due to charger faults or overcharging. No amount of caution eliminates that risk entirely. This is perfect for you if you charge indoors or worry about battery safety. Skip this one only if you charge exclusively outdoors in a fire-safe zone. For $20, it's cheap insurance.
So, which one's best? For 36V systems, go with the EVA Plus Fast Charger. Need universal 48V compatibility? The fancy buying 7-in-1 is your best bet. Prefer smarter, gentler charging? The EVA Plus 1.5A model wins. Have an oddball connector? Grab the QKIP. And no matter what, get the Flash-LED Fireproof Bag. Safety first, always.